This is a video about just getting parts from the wrecking yard. This is off of a 1996 Lincoln, not 96, 1985 Lincoln Town Car. It looks to me like it's the full-size starter that Ford made. It is a motorcraft, and you can see that it has a part number there. You know, I don't have a spare starter, as you know that the 65 Mustang, that starter's probably locked up. This will probably do just fine to get that going and get that turned over, like, and finish that project or keep that project going along. So why did I buy a used starter off of a Lincoln Town Car? Well, a new one from Rock Auto, which I use them fairly amount when I want something new. For a limited lifetime warranty, you've got $26.79 for a remanufactured starter. It'll be a motorcraft starter, I hope. $44 core charge, $44 for this. So I go to bring your own tools over there and I pull the parts off myself, and you can see that what they're charging me for this starter is $12.65. Now, that's a $25 starter to them with a $5.50 core charge. Because of Veterans Day, they knocked the price in half. Well, I'm sorry, $11 core charge. They knocked the price in half, and that was $5.50 core charge and $12.65 for the starter. And a 30-day warranty cost me $3.80. So out the door, you know, about 40 bucks. And and I got a 30-day warranty to make it sure. And I looked at it, the teeth and everything. Get this up in there. You can see up in there that the teeth look pretty good. And it was on a 5.0. Just thought that'd be a good little short little video there on that. Get me moving along on a Mustang again. And thanks for watching.